Yeah, let's start our discussion. I have some files available with me which are has been corrupted by how decrypt ransomware, and the basic idea behind the encryption back or the original file back is that we have to find the actual data within our files. Actually, what I have analyzed that the how decrypt ransomware for the documents files does not delete the actual contents, but it itself insert the actual contents as a whole block within the file. So let's have an example, but I must unleash the tool one which we need, that is the hex new editor, my lovely one, or you can use any other hex editor also which can show you the actual contents. Let's go to the file directly. This is my corrupted file which has been corrupted by the how decrypt ransomware. So let it load first. As you can see, this file is completely corrupted and there is a lot of size of it. But the good thing with this ransomware is that if we go through the whole file, then we can find the actual contents somewhere in the middle. This one, this is the my actual content which has been available within the middle. So what I have to find out, I have to find out the start offset or the offset of the offset within the file where our actual content is lying. So to find that offset, I will need to open this file with my hex editor. So here we are. My this file has been loaded in my hex editor, and when I browse through this file, I I can you can see that there are lots of characters or garbage values or other unvalid ASCII characters available in this file. But after some locations, here you can see there your actual data or my file actual data, here you can see. So my offset is this one. This is my offset value, and this is the hex value, and its corresponding integer value is this one. So what we need to recover this file, I will have to just copy this one, but to copy this one and to find out the location where we have to close, we have to find out the last six consecutive zero hex values. Last consecutive six zero hex values means that if you look at this DA0 at this location, we are finding the consecutive. Here we can see the consecutive uh, zero zero hex values. Actually, this is not the null character. I have analyzed this one. This is not having the null character value. So what we have to recover it manually. I will just copy this text till the location till the end offset, and my end offset is this one 0D, because after this one I can see the consecutive many consecutive zero zeros. And what the ransomware did, the ransomware actually insert this one as a block within the middle. It can be any location, but unfortunately at only a particular system the location will be fixed. So all my corrupted files were data of my all corrupted file was available at particular this offset value. So I just copy this one. I will open a new file and paste this one. I can save this file as any name. I can save this file with .doc extension .rtf.txt, but we'll have to careful about this one. This is a encoded text, so the basic formatting will be removed. The actual contents only will be recovered. So I save it .rtf. So I have saved this file at my desktop. This one is here. And yeah, this is my recovered text. Here we have done. This is my recovered, but actually this is not a .doc file, because the actual header or the original header of the .doc file is not available within the hex values of this file. So we have saved this only the contents of this file, and this is reading only the contents. So we are done here.